All right, what's up, everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going over Instagram feed video ads. So it's going to be our Instagram feed video ads tutorial updated for 2018. So we're going to get started here in Facebook Power Editor, also the Facebook Ads Manager screen. If you're not sure how to get this all set up and get started, go to this page here. So we'll put it in the description as well. It's how to prepare to advertise on Instagram. So basically, the way we have it set up, we have our Facebook page, Surfside PPC, we have our Instagram page, Surfside PPC, and we have a Facebook Ads Manager account, and all three of them are connected. So our Instagram business account is connected to our Facebook business account, and then we use Facebook Business Manager to manage everything. So we could just kind of add Instagram pages in as we create them for other accounts. It's a lot easier to manage everything. So if you're not sure how to get started, that's kind of how it all works. Just come to this page here, Facebook Business Help, and you can kind of come through here and get started. Your ultimate goal is to get we use Facebook Business Manager. I think that's the only option they have nowadays. They keep kind of changing it. We're just so used to what we're doing now. So um, your whole goal is to be able to get to this screen where you have your ads manager set up, your Facebook page is connected to the ads manager, and you also have your Instagram account connected to your Facebook page. That allows us to run ads for different clients for some of our own brands. So to get started here, if you want to know what the actual specs are for Instagram video, so this is for the Instagram feed. These are the video specs for Facebook. So it's going to say upload the highest resolution source. It shows some different options here: fixed frame rate, square pixels, H.264 compression. So usually if you're creating videos, the way we do it, we create videos, we use iMovie to edit them, and then we publish them. So that's kind of how we do everything with us. So this video isn't specifically going to be about creating great Instagram video ads, but more how to set up successful Instagram ad campaigns with the videos you already have. So if you are coming here to learn how to create videos, we're not going to be very helpful, honestly. So some of the main things to take away. So your video length is 1 to 60 seconds. Video captions are optional, but you get about 2 rows of captions. So down here you can see, so it says sing and dance your way. It doesn't show the next row, but it's probably there. We'll just kind of play this video real quick. So this is their, for I guess for La La Land. I think that's what that movie is. So just some different technical requirements here, so not too much to really keep track of, but the main thing is video length 1 to 60 seconds. So you can't upload really long videos, but you can upload very short videos if you want. Um, so we're going to get started here. Our ultimate goal is we're going to run a short video ad where we're promoting our newsletter here and our free ebook. So we want people to see our video ad, come to our newsletter page, kind of learn more about Surfside PPC in general, maybe follow us on Instagram. We're just trying to increase our overall set of customers. So we're going to put some money into Instagram ads just to see how they perform. So the main thing we're going to do is test a couple different audiences. We go over Facebook audiences and all the different things you can do with them in another tutorial. So if you're interested in that, we also recommend looking at our Instagram ads tutorial that we already have on our channel. It'll definitely be helpful for this one. So let's get started here. We're going to click on Create Campaign. So we'll do Instagram. Okay, so buying type is auction. Campaign objective, you want to switch this to video views. So we're not going to be doing split testing here, but you can if you want to. That'll allow you to split test either your creative, your audiences, at least one factor you could split test. We usually just do our split testing ourselves. We'll just run things at the same budget and see what performs best. So create our new ad set. So our first ad set we're going to name small business owners. And we're going to create multiple Instagram ads. The only difference will be the ad copy. So we're going to do Instagram ad 1 here. And all we're going to do is click save to draft. So now it's going to pull up our campaign screen. If you want to edit your ad set here, you just click on here. If you want to edit your ad here, you just click here. We're going to set a campaign spending limit of $200. The minimum is $100 for a campaign spending limit, but you don't have to spend that much. You can create your campaign and pause it right afterwards before you even spend anything. So don't worry about, campaign spending limits. It's not forcing you into anything. It's just really more of a protection in case you kind of forget about your campaign. So we'll do 200 just in case we're not paying attention, but we will be. So we'll click on. Now we want to click on one ad set up here. So now we want to edit our first ad set. And the first thing we want to do is target small business owners in the United States. And we want to target people who are 30 and up. So we want to target people who might not have a huge level of knowledge in digital marketing, who might be, trying to learn more about how to grow their business with online marketing methods. So I would definitely recommend scheduling your campaigns. You can start them right away, so we'll do just start right away. So this is the time we're creating them. And then on end date, I definitely recommend setting an end date, even if you just do a week or 2 weeks. It helps Facebook pace your budget properly so that you're not serving your ad to the same people every day. It allows Facebook to say, okay, they want to spend $10 a day from starting today until the end of March 31st. Let's try to spend, their overall budget as optimal as possible. So it helps Facebook kind of really optimize your budget a little bit better. So now, if you use custom audiences, we obviously have some tutorials about custom lookalike. So, maybe I want to target everyone who's engaged with us on Instagram for over the last 365 days. Maybe I want to target some lookalike audiences. So you have a lot of options here. What we're going to do is we're going to target everyone in the United States. We're going to do 30 and up, and we want to reach people who are small business owners. So the whole point of our thing is we want people who are looking for ideas to grow their business. So languages, whatever language best works for your customers. So English for us. So detailed targeting. So this is where you kind of have some different options with targeting. If you click on it, click suggestions, it'll pull up things based on what you publish to your page, some of the different pages you have. So we have a combination of a beach decor website and our marketing website. So it's kind of a big mishmash here. But what we want to do is target small business owners. So all you have to do is type things in if you want to reach things. You want to reach small business owners, just type them in. Maybe you want to reach, I don't know, people who are interested in soccer, just type it in. It'll pull up a bunch of different options here. So go small business owners. And they have some different options. So if you look over here, it's going to say interests, demographics, and one of them is a behavior. There it is, small business owner behavior. So we'll start with small business owner under the behavior. So it's going to be people who, based on their digital activities, Facebook thinks that they're a small business owner. So pretty good. It's a 47 million total people, so a huge audience here. Our potential reach is 7 million, so we want to narrow it down a little bit. Keep coming in here, and we'll do small business owners again. Okay, so now maybe we just do under demographics. It'll be 11 million people for small business owner. It's going to be individuals who are likely to be a small business owner. So we're saying include people who match this and also match this. So our total potential reach, 420,000. Large enough for me. I think that's a pretty good option here, considering we're going to be doing $10 a day for a little bit over a month here. It's a pretty good amount that we're going to be spending, and our potential reach is good there. When it comes to budgeting, just do whatever works best for you. If you want to run something at $2 a day for that long, your reach and video views goes down, but you can still get good results. You might want to set it at a $5 minimum. That's kind of how I am per ad set. It's kind of hard for Facebook to optimize when you have very, very small budgets, but for this one, we're just going to do $10 a day. But go with whatever budget works for you. And if you don't see the results that you're looking for, just pause your campaign and try something else. So you could add connection types, apps, events, Facebook pages if you want. You can save the audience. Let's say I want to keep using this for different times. I would save it for sure. Now this is where you change it from Facebook ads to Instagram ads. So right now our automatic placements mean our ads are automatically going to be shown in the audience network, Facebook, and Instagram. So it's going to be all over the place. Every single placement they have, they're going to show it, and then they're going to optimize for whatever people are interacting with the most. So for us, we're going to click on Edit Placements here. We just want to be in the Instagram feed. So we're going to get rid of Facebook. We have Instagram feed selected, and we're going to get rid of Audience Network. If you click on Instagram Stories, it'll automatically take you out of the feed because it's completely different. So we're going to do a separate tutorial about stories if that's what you're looking for. So Instagram feed, your best bet is to run one campaign, run them right against each other, use the same exact targeting, and see what works best for you. So we'll do all mobile devices, optimization. This is all we're going to keep the same. So we're optimizing for video views. We're going to bid automatically. So now we're pretty much all set up with our audience. It went down to 200,000 people on Instagram, so our small business owner audience. So that's pretty good. Now we want to come over to the ads. Now we want to have to set up our video ad for Instagram. Our campaign is ready. Our ad set is good. Our targeting, our placement, our budget, and our schedule. So now we have to set up our Instagram video ad. We'll do video ad here. All right, so make sure you have the correct Facebook page here. So for us, it's going to be Surfside PPC, and then it should pull up the Instagram account that's connected to your Facebook page. So ours is obviously Surfside PPC. So we're going to be creating an ad with a video. You can add a full screen canvas. We have a completely separate tutorial about that too on our channel, so go find that if that's what you're looking for. Under video here, we're going to click on Select Video. So we've already uploaded our video here. It's how to grow your business in 2018. Just a quick 10-second video. It's not really a great video or anything like that, but all right. So now you have to update your ad copy here. So you get about 2 lines underneath your video. It's going to show. So this line, you might get a third line. It just depends. Really, they kind of change around how much they're showing. I think there's a certain level of characters they show no matter what. So for us, it's going to be subscribe to our newsletter for our free ebook. Okay. So now we're going to add a website URL. So I want to send people to my website so they can find my surfsideppc.com/newsletter page and find it. So we're here, newsletter. So what I like to do is use the Google URL Builder. If you're not familiar with this, it helps you track your campaigns into Google Analytics. You could track custom campaigns here. If you click on this, it'll explain exactly where to find everything and how everything works. But basically, when you're in Google Analytics, you go to the acquisition drop-down menu. You click campaigns from that drop-down menu, and you click all campaigns, and you're able to see the different campaigns you set up here. So we're going to name our campaign Surfside PPC Instagram feed video campaign, and everything will pop under that. So we'll be able to say, okay, send traffic to this page, and then track everything that's happening. So for us, our campaign source is Instagram. Our campaign medium. So for us, we're going to do cost per click. Even though it's a video campaign, every single click to our website, we're just going to count it as a cost per click campaign. So our campaign name is Surfside PPC Instagram feed video campaign. Our campaign term, so who we're targeting, small business owners, and our Instagram content, we'll do Instagram video ad one, so we can tell what's driving this. So click on copy URL, come back to Power Editor, and we're going to enter our website URL here. And display link, I like to just pull it right out. So surfsideppc.com. All right, so as far as the thumbnail and captions, so they really don't like a thumbnail with a lot of text on it. This might actually just get disapproved because of all this text. So what I need to do is change my thumbnail here. So what I'm going to do is select from an image I already uploaded. So it's the same image that's on our ebook. So we click on confirm. Okay, so now we have our updated thumbnail here. It's not showing here, but as long as it's showing here, okay, then it's fine. It just hasn't updated on the actual preview. So we keep scrolling down. Our text, subscribe to our newsletter for our free ebook. We added our website URL. We have our display link. Our call to action is going to be learn more. We don't need to add any URL parameters for tracking, and everything's going to be tracked through our pixel, which is on our website, so we don't have to worry about any of that. If we get conversions, it'll actually be tracked through that. It's just not going to optimize our campaigns for that. It's going to optimize our campaigns for video views. So we have everything set up now. Everything looks good. We're going to click review draft items. All right, everything looks good. One campaign, one ad set, one ad, confirm. Okay, so what I normally do now, so now we're in review. What I normally do now is duplicate this video ad and just change the ad copy around a little bit. So I think it was just subscribe to our newsletter. What I would do is something along the lines of download our free ebook to learn how to grow your business. So I would have at least 2 video ads running with different ad copy. You could also try adjusting just the thumbnail, or if you have a couple different videos you want to test against each other, just don't change everything around. Don't have a different thumbnail, don't have a different video, don't have a different ad copy. Otherwise, you're kind of testing all sorts of different things against each other, and you're not able to really tell what's different. So if I upload the same exact video ad, same exact thumbnail, and just change the ad copy a little bit, change the call to action a little bit, I can see that, okay, people are engaging with this ad more and this ad copy works better, whereas this ad copy is not connecting with them as well. So now maybe let me try this ad copy with 2 different thumbnails. So that's kind of how you test things against each other. Facebook allows you to split test a little bit easier now. It's kind of, I'd rather just do it myself, but that's kind of a matter of preference, how much you want to spend in the account. So I normally have 2 video ads running, and then what I do is come back to ad sets. You don't just want to have one ad set running because you're not able to test anything at all. So if I'm just running one campaign, one ad set, one ad, nothing's testing against each other, nothing's really optimizing and improving. The only thing that's going to improve is Facebook's delivery of my ads, but I can help myself by running 3 different types of ad sets with different budgets. So what I would do is duplicate this and set up some different ad sets. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And once I click duplicate the ad set, it'll pull in every single ad I've created from this ad set. So that's why you want to set up your ads first if you create multiple ones. We're going to come into ad sets here. We're going to duplicate small business owners. We're going to do existing campaign, Instagram feed video ads, 1 copy. You could do 2 copies if you want of the ad set. We're just going to do 1 for this example. I'd probably do 2 and change them both, but I don't want this tutorial to run for an hour. Okay, so now you can see out here, we have our campaign selected, we're in our ad sets, we have a copy of our original ad set. So what we're going to do is just click edit. Okay, so I come in here and let's just say, I don't know, I want to target people with an interest in digital marketing. I just want to reach people who have an interest in digital marketing and are maybe looking for more, more information about it. So I'll just do digital marketing. Come down here. What I'd probably do is create some page like lookalike audiences, maybe a retargeting lookalike audience. Those are really what I like to target rather than just going straight interests. But it's always good to create some different interest audiences. You can set up things, if I go digital marketing, and I could do, okay, let's do digital marketing. And since it's kind of geared towards business growth, maybe I'll do narrow audience, and they also much match entrepreneur. So people who have an interest in digital marketing and who also have an interest in entrepreneurship. So 1.2 million, pretty large audience already. I could probably narrow it further, see what suggestions they give me. So maybe I want to come down to passive income. Maybe it's someone with passive income. Maybe it's work from home opportunities. So I can keep narrowing this down a little bit. Maybe I just do entrepreneurship again. Let's see. So I could do entrepreneurship magazine. We'll see how low this goes. Now we're down to 400,000 people, so pretty good here. So now we're reaching people with an interest in digital marketing, who have an interest in entrepreneurship, who also have an interest in Entrepreneur the magazine. So we'll do digital marketing entrepreneurs. So now I know who I'm targeting should have some level of interest in, exactly what I'm offering, which is a free ebook for how to grow your business. And it's all based around digital marketing. So we'll click confirm. So now we have two different ad sets here, both $10 a day. What I would do is duplicate it one more time, create one more, maybe do a lookalike audience, something like that. And now what you do is you just wait for your campaign to be approved and you let it run and you see what performs best. You'll start getting in data for each ad set. So when you're in your different ad sets here, you'll be able to see how much the cost is per 3-second video view. See reach, impressions. It'll show you all sorts of video data. So when you come into columns, you can see, delivery, performance. There's just a lot of different options here that you can see. Video engagement. So what you're kind of looking for is to find audiences that you can target where people are watching the highest percentage of your video, where people are finishing your video the most, because that's going to show that, okay, these people have the most interest in what I'm offering. And you can also see, delivery and clicks or performance and clicks here. So you can see, reach frequency along with, link clicks. So when someone comes in, clicks on my link, I can actually see those types of things. So pretty cool thing here. So you don't have to worry about, making sure you understand the exact performance of everything that you're doing. So that's kind of how it works with me. I like to set up my campaign like this with one goal. So for us, we're trying to get people to download our ebook. We set up ad sets and target people that we think are going to be the most interested and most likely to purchase or, fill out the form or do whatever it is. And then we set up multiple ads, usually per ad set. We obviously just did one here, but I would recommend doing two. Change the ad copy around a little bit if you want to just keep the ad copy the same and change the thumbnail. If you have a couple different videos, you can try to see what people are interacting with, engaging with the most. That's really the goal with video campaigns is video views. Don't expect a huge amount of conversions, but depending on what you're offering, how your video, inspires people, that's kind of really what you're looking for. Now, if you're looking to create great Instagram video ads, and this will be the last part of our video, this is a great article here. So from HubSpot, looks like Lindsay Kolowich wrote, it's blog.hubspot.com/marketing/Instagram video examples. It's 17 inspiring Instagram video examples from Oreo, Spotify, BuzzFeed, and more. So if you're not sure, what videos people like on Instagram, what things, will keep people engaged, this is a really good example of some different Instagram videos and some different things you can try and just incorporate into your own brand depending on what you're offering. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments. Thank you for joining us today. And don't forget to subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.